Hi, I'm Kate Goldhouse, a chef and vegan cooking educator at Goldhouse Gourmet. Today I'm going to be showing you a recipe for roasted cauliflower with mustard butter. So this recipe doesn't actually include any dairy butter, which is great because we don't need dairy. A lot of people think they need dairy for creaminess, for saltiness, but it's totally unnecessary, and we don't want the cholesterol and saturated fat if we don't need it. So what provides the creaminess for this sauce is just the actual mustard itself. So I have here 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and I have 2 tablespoons of grainy mustard. Then I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic, about a teaspoon of rosemary, and a teaspoon of thyme. Then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of white wine, I'm going to mix that up. Mix that up until it's smooth. Once it's smooth, we're going to pour this over the cauliflower. So now I'm going to pour this over some cauliflower florets. This is my favorite way to eat cauliflower. And the more cauliflower you can get into your diet, the better. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable, like kale and Brussels sprouts and broccoli, and they are the healthiest vegetables. They fight cancer, they're loaded with fiber, they're rich in calcium. So the more you can get of these disease-fighting vegetables, the better. So mix this all up here. You really want all the florets coated. It smells so mustardy, and you'll see you never need dairy butter for anything. So once this is coated, we're going to transfer it to a tinfoil lined baking sheet. And spread it evenly. And then you're going to roast this for 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees. So I've just pulled this out of the oven. It just has this wonderful mustardy, lemony smell. I'm Kate Goldhouse, and today I showed you roasted cauliflower with mustard butter.